Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to start our new lesson, that is lesson number 6, working with Flash CS3. Last year also we have done Flash and this year also we are going to do Flash with the more options. Okay, as you all know, Flash is your animation software and I know you all are very much interested in animation. Okay, I've seen your interest in your Scratch, so you are going to show same interest in Flash CS3 also. So quickly we are going to start this lesson. Now what is Flash? You all know. Flash is a powerful animation software package now developed by Adobe Systems. Okay, first is it was developed by your Macromedia system and then it was purchased by your Adobe system. So Flash, Adobe Flash CS3 Professional, it has a different types of files like Flash file action strip 3. Okay, Flash file action strip 2. Okay, this is your different types of Flash files for your mobile. If you want to do something for your mobile, Flash file for mobile, then your action strip file. So these are the different types of files and there are some templates also, means your temporary ready-made options are available for different things. Okay, Flash provides a versatile and easy way to create animation that consists of images, sound and video with your sound. Okay. Now Flash is a vector based program, which means that graphics created in it can be scaled to any size without losing its quality. Okay. Now the things you have made, suppose you are going to resize it, and if it is not vector program, okay, it has no, your vector means your magnitude and direction both. So if it is not a vector program, what happened? The files will be losing their quality. And in Flash, as Flash is your vector based program, so file will not lose its quality. Now this Flash is extremely useful for developing highly interactive websites. Okay, online advertisements, computer games and contents for various mobile devices. Okay. Now one advantage of Flash is that we can play the movies in any browser. Means suppose you have made a Flash file, you can run that file in any browser like in Google Chrome, like in Mozilla Firefox. So the applications made are your web friendly. आप उसको website पर use कर सकते हो. Okay. Now the fact file, yes. He is your Jonathan Gaze, considered as a main programmer and visionary of your Flash and animation editor for web pages. Okay. Now to open Flash, click on Start. You all know all programs. Adobe Flash CS3 Professional. The opening screen will appear. Okay, click on Flash file action strip 3.0. under create new section to open the Flash document. Now different versions of Flash released till now, from Flash 1.0 to Flash CS6 Professional. And earlier Flash was known as, the name of the Flash was your Animator Future Flash. Okay. Now what is that workspace in Flash? The Flash is similar to the Paint software in Windows, just like in Paint software you are having tools, then your drawing area. Same here, that is, it contains your tools and your drawing area. It has almost same tools that Paint uses, but similarly they are mainly used for your animation. The workspace is arrangement of various Flash elements such as your tools panel, then your control panel, this is your tool panel, okay, then your control panel, then properties inspector and windows. Now quickly tell me what is the difference between Flash and Paint. So Flash is used for animation and Paintbrush is used for your still images. No movement is there in the Paintbrush file. Now what is this stage? This is your stage, means your drawing board, where we can create graphics, animation, make modifications in it. It has a large white space that is present at the center of workspace. By default, the stage dimension is your 550 by 400 pixels. Means like this, 550 pixels are there, like this 400 pixels are there. This is the default size of a stage. You have to remember size of the stage 550 by 400 पिक्सल्स. ये ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस में आता है. यहाँ आप देखेंगे, ये देखो डायमेंशन 550 पिक्सल्स बाय 400 पिक्सल्स. यू कैन चेंज इट. The gray area surrounding the stage is called the work area. Okay, the gray area. This is the gray area surrounding the stage. स्टेज के आसपास का ग्रे एरिया. ठीक है. Where we can also place the contents and animate them. जरूरी नहीं है स्टेज पर ही करना, आप यहाँ पर भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है. बाहर से आपको कुछ मूवमेंट दिखाना है, then you can place it here also. So this is your workspace. We can change the view of the stage size by selecting view, okay, and then zoom in and view option. The menu contains controls of common functions like opening and saving files. Then tools panel. See, these are the tools. Okay. Now the first tool is your selection tool. If you want to select any object, you will be using this selection, and within the object Suppose you have drawn a sticky figure, and within the sticky figure you want to select the hands of that sticky figure, then you can use सब selection. तो image के अंदर का, object के अंदर का कोई part select करना है, then you will be using सब selection. Free transform, select and move it anywhere on the stage. Then gradient transform. Okay, gradient is your shading. Gradient is your generally referred with your shading. Then line tool, lasso tool for selecting irregular object shapes, the shapes which are not regular. Okay. Then pen tool is here, there. Pen tool is used to draw the path of your animation. Then this text tool is there if you want to write something. Oval tool, then rectangle tool, poly star, pencil, brush, ink bottle, paint bucket. Okay, now there is one difference between ink bottle and paint bucket tool. Okay, that we are going to learn further. Then eyedropper to select the color, and eraser. Okay, like ink bottle is used to fill the outline of the object, and paint bucket is used to fill the inside of your object. Okay, like this is your object, and if you want to fill something inside, so this is by your paint bucket, and if you want to change the color of this outline, so this will be your with ink bottle. Okay, so two tools are there for your coloring, ink bottle and paint bucket. Okay, so now what is your task? You have to download Flash at your home. Okay, download the trial version and observe all the tools. Next class we are going to start with our animation. Okay, till then, goodbye, stay safe, stay home, bye bye.